Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. Mr. Cameraman's outside, his mom is here, and I just made this delicious dinner. Xena is ready to eat, and I made this for less than $15, guys. Less than $15. Let me show you how this happened. So, we're at the $1.25 store, and we just got to our first aisle of groceries. I was a little shook that they have this many options. So far, what we're noticing is a lot of not filled shelves, and a lot of these products are significantly smaller in size than if you would get the same product at like a Safeway or like a Hy-Vee. And I'm actually surprised they have quite the selection of like refrigerated items. They've got eggs, cookie dough, sausage, bacon. So I want to kind of give myself a budget of 8 items, and I'm gonna try to make a meal. So let's pick some stuff out. Okay, so I know that it's the $1.25 tree now, but question mark, food tax 4 cents. Am I dumb? I could have sworn that groceries were not taxed. Maybe I'm crazy, and I don't even know, it's only 4 cents, and I got 11 items. So we did go over budget a little bit. We spent $11.29, but you guys are not even gonna believe what we got. This meal I'm gonna make, drum roll please, we are going to make jalapeno mac and cheese with bacon garlic bread. Can you even believe that I got all of the ingredients to make that at the Dollar Tree? So first of all, we got a 4-ounce bag of jalapeno cheddar TGI Fridays potato skins. And we got 20 ounces of rotini. 20 ounces for only $1.25. That is cheap. A 14.5 ounce jar of Prego Classic Alfredo, which we've had this before. This exact one. We used to shop at Dollar Tree actually quite often. And this stuff is delicious. Then we got a 10-ounce can of Mexicali white nacho cheese sauce. It does sound pretty watery. The first ingredient is water, so I'll be very interested to try that out. Got a 4-ounce squeeze pack of Velveeta jalapeno cheese sauce. This sounds very, very delicious. Then, for the garlic toast, we got 6 slices of garlic toast for only $1.25. I mean, I am shook. 6 slices. Now, they had another one that I wanted that was garlic and cheese, but it only came with 4 slices. So, for 2 more slices, 86 the cheese, this seemed like a much better deal. Then we got 3 ounces of pepper jack cheese. Now this is one thing that actually got smaller. So I watched a YouTube video actually. If I can find it again, I'll link it down below. But I watched a lady do this kind of thing. She went to the Dollar Tree to buy everything. And these blocks of cheese used to be 4 ounces. Or at least where she was, they were 4 ounces. Now they're 3. So is that a little bit of shrinkflation? I don't know. I mean, compared to buying, I'm doing this kind of for the novelty of this meal and to prevent food waste. But compared per ounce to something you would get like at a normal grocery store, it's actually quite a bit more expensive per ounce. Then I got the craziest thing. Cannot even believe I bought bacon. 3 ounces of bacon, so there's 4 slices in here. And then as a little treat that I need to get in the freezer before it melts, I love these cotton candy swirled popsicles. Oh my gosh, I grew up on these things. They are absolute fire. And we got 6 of them for only $1.25. Now, I think we need to get cooking. Let's get started. So I felt like being a little bit crazy today. First, I started off by putting my bacon into my Ninja Speedy. I was air frying it. You can air fry it however, at whatever temperature for whatever time you want until it gets crispy. Then in the big pot, I had some water boiling. In the smaller pot, I put the queso and the alfredo and the velveeta sauce, and I wanted to melt all that together to make a pasta sauce. On top of the bread, I ended up putting the block of pepper jack cheese chopped up with the chopped up bacon, and then I topped the pasta with the cheese sauce with the package of TGI Fridays potato chips, baked all of it for, I believe, 15 minutes, and look at how delicious these look. I was shook by the quality of the ingredients. Everything tasted really, really good. You'd have no idea that the ingredients came from a discount store. And Xena absolutely loved the popsicles for dessert. She loves ice cream. That was super, super fun. I cannot wait to try it again. $11.29 got me a entree, a side, and a dessert for 3 people and Xena. Super fun. After my family ate it, they could not believe that the Dollar Tree sells all of the ingredients to make a meal like that. So our crunchy jalapeno mac and queso and our bacon jack garlic bread were both a hit. Super delicious. You should definitely check out these recipes. All of the ingredients were from the Dollar Tree. $11.29 fed 3 people. This was super fun. Like I said, I can't wait to do it again. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Xena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.